Calling on behalf of a client of the Public Defense Office out of Coos County. Several weeks now, this individual has been requesting to speak with the attorney as well as the investigator on his behalf. We've visited with him a few different times. He does live in our household, and he's not being allowed his rights. He's being held there on preventive detention. However, when we've asked, and he's asked for his mail to be turned over to us so that we can assist him, it's been declined. That's a great concern of his violation of federal law and civil matter, right straight through the Sixth Amendment right. And so on behalf of Sammy Stone, I'm calling again. I have reached out to Coos County. I have fired public defenders as of November 5th that were assigned to me, and my cases were dismissed. Hannah Kinney is his public defender. Arthur is a major conflict of interest, being the detective who has a personal relation friendship basis with the defendants, okay, or the plaintiffs. And with that being said, he has declined each time that Sam Stone has reached out to him. Hannah Kinney told him, allegedly, and a guard corrections officer has backed this up, that he had phone contact with his attorney and that they were in limbo with hearings because she's got a case overload. That's not his problem. He has already been evaluated like they requested. He passed his evaluation. He's got 14 points a week at the jail system. And so he should have already been set for a hearing. We all are aware that she told him a couple days. A couple means 2. 3 means a few, and 7 means several or more. And it's been almost 3 weeks since she said a couple days. So can we kindly find out from Hannah Kinney what her stance is in upholding the rights of Sammy J. Stone at Coos County? We all, as the public, have the right to know, as well as his relatives have the right to know how we can assist him in being able to come home rightfully. Okay, so she told me that you are who I would talk to, and that's why she put me through to you. So who would you suggest other than the overseer of all public defenders? I already did that, and so that means I have to go back and file something in federal court. Is that the next step because nobody's answering? That's right, but it's a federal violation of his rights. And a violation of USC 242-1983, never properly investigated before he was arrested. And that's a great concern because your public defender's office they're responsible for what happens to these clients, correct? In the justice system, you know, whether their rights are being violated or if they're heard properly. But their best representation has not been, okay, so the clients have rights. The clients have civil rights and client attorney rights. And when the attorney does not oblige and they disagree with the actions of the attorney, they have right to speak up about that. He can't speak up when the attorney doesn't speak back. She has not contacted him back when he calls her, and I'm aware of that, and the guards told me that as well. Okay, so we'll just take it federal matter. Thank you. Have a great day, Kristen.